Hello. Hello, how are you today? Okay, reading. Let's make a review of me and Uncle Romy vocabulary. Okay? Page 363. This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Acosta from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. Page 363. Directions. Underline the word that completes each sentence. Write the word on the line. Check the words you know. Flights, picture, fears, feast, stoops, ruined, treasure, and cardboard. Number 1 are themes. Struck everyone out. Picture. Number 2. My neighbors needed repairs to the broken stairs. Stoops. Number 3. After my aunt discovered the chest in the attic, she found a treasure. Number 4. Treasure. Number 3. Number 4. My grandmother made us a special for the holiday feast. Number 5. I walked up 3 of stairs. Flights. Directions. Write the word from the box that completes each sentence. Number 6. The lion looked very fierce when it growled. Number 7. We packed the books in a cardboard box. Cardboard box. Number 8. I ate so much at the feast that I am not hungry now. Feast. Number 9. The cake was when she dropped it on the floor. Ruined. And number 10. The ring from grandfather is something to keep as a treasure. Okay? If you didn't finish this, please finish at home. Okay? So do your vocabulary of me and Uncle Romy. And it's okay that last week we read that story, but still we need to learn more about vocabulary words, okay? We need to practice them. It's like writing sentences. Thanks for your attention. See you soon. Bye-bye.